years now. I've been in the past productions of Ovation most recently, and I've been in Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat and The Sound of Music, and today I will be performing Up on the Fridge from the musical Dear Edwina, which is about a girl who is trying to show her parents what she's good at.